So you may have presentation in PDF formats. If you want to actually go ahead and convert it into a proper presentation format, you can use ILovePDF.com to convert PDF files to PowerPoint files as well. So here you can see that PDF to PowerPoint is an option. And then if you were to go around over here on the top, you can see under Convert, you can see PDF to PowerPoint right here. If you were to go to all PDF tools right here, then you will be able to see PDF to PowerPoint right here as well. Well, let me just go ahead and click right here. And here what you can do is you can select a PDF file, let's say for example, and then around over here you can select a PDF file right here that you want to go ahead and convert to PowerPoint right here, just like this. Once you go ahead and select and click on Open right here, this is what you get. You can go ahead and add in more files if you want to as well from over here. But this is the only file that I want to convert. So this is 5 pages, as you can see right here. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on Convert to PowerPoint right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see it says converting PowerPoint, and now you can share out the download link. You can go ahead and then delete this out right here, or you can go ahead and save it in cloud drives, or you can simply go ahead and click on download to download out the PowerPoint file. So you can see that this is what you have now, and then you can see that it has converted out the PDF file right here successfully into a PowerPoint file. So you can see that everything is editable right now, just like this. So you can go ahead and move these out right here, just like this, and there you go. You got a PDF file converted into a editable and presentable PowerPoint file, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and convert out PDF files to PowerPoint using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.